Blockchain Group raises 13 million in advance, and so Blockchain Group is a European company, right?
Yeah, so like the notable thing, so if you want to try and dabble into the Bitcoin treasury space, of course you got your blue chips, right? Like your already high value market caps, like a MicroStrategy, a Meta Planet, whatever. They're like pretty high valuation already, but they still have upside potential. But if, this is how you approach these markets from like an investor standpoint, right? Am I looking for the safe bet that can get me a 5 to 10x over a year? That's like your MicroStrategies, right?
Yeah.
That's like a for sure thing. You could buy it and you could sleep well at night.
Yeah.
And then you're going to discover, okay, I need a much bigger risk profile so that I can get a higher multiple. And then you got to go a little bit lower in the market cap trenches, right? And then among them, you got to find differentiators and such. So for example, this one here, the major differentiator is the first of its kind in Europe.
Yeah,
right?
so Euronext Growth Paris has secured roughly 11 million euros, $13 million in fresh funding as it doubles down on becoming Europe's first Bitcoin treasury company.
Yeah, so that's really all you need to hear. Of course, there's other layers of due diligence you should probably do on top of this, and we're going to make more videos in the future as we kind of like break down the strategy here and the approach to this market, right? Because this is what we do on this channel. Typically it's always been in the crypto markets. It's like some new trend emerges, whether it's DeFi or it's NFTs or it's
Bitcoin,
ordinals.
Yeah,
these are new like macro shifts within the crypto space. So it's like, all right, let's figure out what's going to have success longevity within these new trends.
Correct.
But this is our first time like trying to do this same activity in the stock market. Right?
Yeah, so I guess the question is, well, why even look into it? The reason is this traditional industry has been around for about 100 years or more, and they're moving hundreds of trillions of dollars of like assets under management here. And so these asset managers, they need some sort of exposure to new technologies such as blockchain, right? Assets, right? Digital assets. And what that gives them is volatility, and they need volatility because that's how they make money.